So, what's up mga ka-20s? Hey, kamusta naman kayo? How are you? Naisip ko lang mag-film tonight. Alam ko madilim na. It's gonna be my first night vlog. Medyo nakapantulog na ako ngayon. It's already 10 in the evening. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung notebook ko sa office. So, 5 minutes walking distance lang naman yung office dito. Kaya, kinuha ko siya. Medyo magbabasa ako, sabi ko, before I sleep. It's my French notebook. So, ayun guys. So, habang naglalakad ako pabalik, I just saw how they are working hard for this incoming event. So, it's called FME. In French, it's Festival Musique Émergente. So, I guess it's a music festival. It's a series of performances from local artists nila dito sa Canada. And I'm not sure if may mga foreign ones, hindi ako sure. But sure ako na it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a 3-day event siya. So, a-attend ako tomorrow. Pero ngayon, nakita ko yung na pinaghahandaan talaga nila. And I really find it meaningful talaga sa kanila yung event na to. O kasi isa rin siya sa, parang it's a very memorable way to end the summer. Kasi malapit na rin mag-fall eh. I think 3rd week of September, magpo-fall na. So ayun, nakita ko lang yung preparation and gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung kung paano nila ginagawa to. Yearly siya, it's traditional. 21st year na siya right now. So, ang galing lang. Alam ko iba-iba yung theme din every year. And iba-iba yung places. Meron sa streets, may mga magpe-perform sa street, sa downtown, may mga magpe-perform sa little theaters, may mga magpe-perform sa ibang places. So, I'm sure it's gonna be fun. Medyo malamig pala tonight. Nagsa-start na. Winter is coming. Anyway, tour ko kayo sa preparation. And tomorrow, pupunta rin naman ako sa isang event nila. So, meron akong free tickets from my work. Thank you, neighbors. So, may kasama ko tomorrow yung isang Filipino friend ko dito. Attend kami dun sa isang show. Medyo hip-hop and rappers yung rap yung genre nila. Hey guys, let's see. Let's go. So, ayun guys, dito siya mangyayari tomorrow. Excited na ako. I think wala akong pass dito mismo sa show na nandito, pero dun kami sa kabila. Ito siya sa likod ko. Ay, shit, nakaka-excite. Sana may mga English songs. Kasi baka French naman, di ko maintindihan. Pero, baka may mga konting maintindihan na ako kasi medyo lagpas naman na ako sa super beginner, diba? Baka yung mga konting words gets ko siya sa ayun. Let's see tomorrow. Watch with me. So hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So it's past 10 PM right now. Magsa-start yung show namin around 11 PM. So susunduin ko muna yung kasama ko si Trisha. So apparently, she just turned 18 years old and one of the things na sabi ko sa kanya is tatry kong samahan siya to welcome her adult Hood. So I have our tickets now. It's here. So yeah, luckily may English shows naman na at English din yung songs nung mga artists na nakuha ko. Parang medyo rapper style. And I'm wearing one of my favorite tops. Parang vest siya na may maliit na bear dito. Medyo malamig pala tonight. Around 12 degrees, chinek ko. 12 to 13 degrees. Pero kaya naman na hindi mag-jacket, pero magdadala ako ng coat ko. Pero nagsuot na rin ako ng hat, just in case na lamigin yung noo ko, since ito yung pinakamalaking part ng face ko. So, ayun guys, papakita ko sa inyo later how some of the Quebecois, paano sila medyo mag-party or manood ng shows compared to us dyan sa Philippines. Okay? So, on y va, let's go!
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Hi guys! Welcome back vlog. So ayun, it was a fun night all in all. Though the other half was all in French. Kaya medyo nung nag-start na yung guy kumanta, sabi ko wag na namin tapusin. Kaya lumabas na lang kami, we had to walk and naggala-gala kami sa downtown. Medyo kauwi ko lang din ngayon. So ayun, nandito na ako sa room ko. If you're curious pala dun sa two artists na pinanood namin, the first one, her name was Miss Melano. So, she is a DJ and a rapper. So, originally, lumaki yata siya sa Alberta, I guess. Pero, nag-work siya sa Toronto. That's why she speaks English very well. And English din lahat ng songs niya. It was so good. The next one was named Stanley. So, nasa band siya. Hindi ko alam kung band or I think band siya na ang tawag sa kanila ay Impos. So, they're from Montreal, so Quebec. So, talagang French yung ginagamit nilang language for their songs. And he's a half Haiti. Basta nakita ko sa profile niya, parang Haitian Canadian rapper din siya. So, ayun, they're great artists din. For me, iba pa rin talaga yung mga... siguro at home lang din talaga ako dun sa mga concerts na napanood ko sa Philippines before. Especially nung nasa college days pa ako. Mahilig kasi sila magpapunta ng mga OPM bands sa Adamson, dun ako nag-graduate. Tapos, kunyari, Falcon Feet or Falcon something. Tapos parang yung Friday night nun, manonood lang kami ng concert. Tapos tatapusin namin siya. Mag-enjoy kami ng mga friends ko that time. Nakaka-miss. Iba pa rin talaga kapag syempre doon ka sa kinalakihan mong country, diba? Pero malay mo naman soon, ma-feel ko rin yun dito. Like, ma-feel ko rin yung comfortability dito sa place nila. But for now, I can say that they party well too. They love dancing. I think they like listening to kind of music like folk, pop, or yan, metal rock, or yung mga raps. Before, when I usually hang out sa mga bars, yung mga pinapatugtog nila doon, more on folk. Kahit yung folk and country music, kahit yung teacher ko dito sa French classes ko, mahilig siya sa folk music. I think it depends din dun sa population na nakapaligid sa'yo and dun sa town na kinabibilangan mo. So, ayun guys, I have to rest. It's already late. I think it's around 1-2 a.m. na right now. Thank you for watching this with me. See you next time. Bye!